Welcome back, colleagues. Alright, now we're going to be looking at how to avail the videos to students. How do you allow students to watch the videos? So I'm going to come down to my Opencast video block. You can see there's quite a number of videos added here. How do I go about getting inside these videos? I click on go to overview. Once I click on that, it basically allows me to bring all of this. You see all of these videos here. So now I've got two choices. I can either add player directly to the course, availing all the videos, or if I want to, I can basically split them up and add them in one by one into the different sections that need to be added. So how do we do this? I'm going to show you both methods quickly. I'm going to first add the entire playlist. So all you do is you click on add playlist right over there, and then you can choose where you want to put it. So this is the Opencast video player. You can change this to course videos. You can say whatever you want to name it. That's where all the videos will be kept, and then you can decide where you want to have it. So for most lecturers, you would want to have it under learning resources. If you click learning resources and you say add and return to overview, it's then going to add the videos to the course. Now if I go back to the course and I scroll to resources, if I come down, if I go into my resources, you will then see that the player has been added at the bottom. Now the nice thing is, if you turn editing on, I can basically move this where I want to move it. So I can put it in front of all of these videos right at the top, so it's like the main video player that opens up when you come into the course content or the learning resources. And then what we do is turn editing off. Now if a student clicks on this video Opencast player, it opens up all of the videos, and the student can then decide which video they want to watch. Alright, so that was adding all the videos at once. Now let's talk about adding the videos individually. I'm back in the Opencast, I'm back in the course, the main course. I'm going to click in my Opencast block. I'm going to click overview once again. And now I'm going to select individual videos. So how do I do this? I'm going to come to, let's say I want to add this last video. Right here underneath the provide button. If you click provide, right there, it's going to allow you to add this single video to a specific section of the Moodle course. So what I now need to do is, I can basically type in a brief description of the video, what the video was all about. I can make sure that the naming is correct here, and then I can add it where I want to add it. So I can go into learning resources, and I can drop it in, and that single video then gets added in. So let's go into the course quickly, let's go have a look. If I come into learning resources, you'll now see that the video has been added. There is the video right at the bottom, and it usually adds it in at the bottom of everything that's on that page. If I say edit, I can then move this video and place it where I want to place it. And now my students have access to the video inside the course. Alright colleagues, I hope you found that useful. If you have any issues, please let us know, and we'll be happy to assist you from our side. Thank you very much.